East Side location, Milton Schools, 3-bed, 2-bath, main floor laundry, 2-car garage. This one owner home checks all the boxes. Just a few steps away from Sheiffer Park, the bike trail and Pine Tree Plaza shopping. And an easy commute with its close proximity to I-90, Hwys 14 and 26. Spacious, open plan layout with vaulted ceiling and lots of natural light. Nicely laid out kitchen has breakfast bar and dining area with access to deck overlooking large corner lot yard. Primary bedroom with ensuite and walk-in closet. Good size bedrooms. Partially finished lower with lots of storage. Add your own personal touches plus a few updates and this could be just the home you have been looking for. Any and all offers to be reviewed by seller at 10 a.m. on Monday 8:30.